Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate build a CRM with Airtable and Zapier automations, full guide step by step clearly. Start by creating an Airtable account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on Add a Base to create a new database for your CRM. Choose a template or start from scratch based on your business needs. Customize the base by adding relevant tables, such as contacts, leads, and tasks. In each table, define the fields you need, like name, email, phone number, status, and any other pertinent information. Set the field types based on the data you will collect, such as single-line text, email, or drop-down selections. After setting up your Airtable base, navigate to Zapier's website. Create a Zapier account or log in to your existing account. Once in Zapier, click on Make a Zap to begin your automation. Select Airtable as your trigger app by searching for it in the list. Choose a trigger event, such as New Record in View for monitoring added contacts. Connect your Airtable account by following the prompts to authenticate it with Zapier. Select the Airtable base and table you want to monitor for new records. Next, test your trigger to ensure that Zapier can successfully pull data from Airtable. Now, add an action by selecting the app you want to connect with Airtable. This could be an email service, project management tool, or any other app that suits your CRM needs. For example, if you want to send a welcome email when a new contact is added, choose your email service as the action app. Select the appropriate action event, such as Send Email. Connect your email service account by following the instructions. Map the relevant fields from Airtable to the email service. For instance, use the name field from Airtable to personalize the email greeting. Test the action to ensure that your Zap functions as expected. Once you've confirmed the test is successful, give your Zap a name that reflects its purpose. Turn on your Zap to activate the automation. Go back to your Airtable base and start adding new records to see your CRM in action. Continuously refine your CRM setup by adjusting fields, adding new automations, and integrating additional tools as needed. Monitor the performance of your CRM to ensure it meets your business goals. Experiment with different workflows and automations to streamline your processes further. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.